Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chrysler 300 in the Crew 2 using an easy method. First, you will need to access your in-game headquarters or any vehicle dealership. From there, navigate through the vehicle categories to find the specific model you desire. It's a straightforward process that will have you driving your new car in just a few moments. Let's get started. To begin, open your world map from any location within the game. Look for the icon representing your main headquarters, often marked with a house symbol. Fast travel there to save time. Once inside your headquarters, approach the interactive screen or area that allows you to browse and purchase new vehicles. This is your gateway to a vast collection of cars. Now that you are in the vehicle catalog, you need to filter by discipline. Select the street race category to narrow down your options. Then, carefully scroll through the list of available cars. The Chrysler 300 SRT8 should be present among the various street racing vehicles. Take a moment to confirm you have found the correct model before proceeding. With the Chrysler 300 SRT8 selected, you will see its price displayed. Ensure you have sufficient in-game currency, whether it's bucks or crew credits, to complete the transaction. Confirm your purchase, and the vehicle will instantly be added to your personal collection. You can then customize it to your liking and take it for a spin on the open roads of America. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.